Asya Sojoy. Morning.
Morning po.
Ay, Justice.
Morning, sir.
Ayun na lang.
Justice, would you like to join the secretary? Meeting was what? To harmonize ba ito yung isa-files?
Ano pa lang, syempre, it's our initial meeting, although we know each other, we've known each other from before.
Apo.
It's our initial meeting.
Yes,
We've
sir.
been very busy with our own work.
Mhm.
I've been attending the Senate hearings and we've been working with the DOJ for this process.
No? Wala ba tayong nakikita, sir, conflict with the ICI and then paano, sir, yung
Wala
magiging
conflict
dynamics?
kasi they can go straight to the ombudsman, they can go to the DOJ also for
Okay.
the other complaints. Pero most of
Hindi yan, sir, parang duplication na function ng...
Hindi naman. This is a private sector initiative. It's really an initiative that the private sector was included.
Okay.
So that it's more
Fact-finding? Tapos, sir, parang...
either way. Kasi nga, some of them will have to be filed with us sometimes
Okay.
because of our relationship with AMLA.
Okay.
We're part of the AMLA.
Okay.
So if once there's a complaint, it automatically tells the AMLA to start filing a case in the Court of Appeals.
Okay.
And building up the case itself.
Sir, kanino siya magsasalita? Kung gusto niya magsalita.
Diretso sa ombudsman yun. Kasi, alam mo, ang buhay naman ang ginagawa namin, matatapos din ito kagad eh. Pero mas matagal ang kaso.
Opo.
I don't expect him to come home. I mean, the way that everything is right now.
Ano, sir, yun? Papile na ng complaint or sa ombudsman na siya mag-fact-finding ba ito? Or to the investigation?
Either which way. Depende kung nasaan na yung lahat. Pero most probably nasa ombudsman na yung lahat.
Sir, anong turing ng DOJ kay Congressman Go as we speak?
Inaano lang namin. We're just looking at the affidavits. Ano ba? Na-file na kay sabi sa AMLA.
Meron na, sir.
Ano na? Ano na? May complaint na sa DOJ. May complaint na sa DOJ. So, AMLA is already a person of interest. It's already a person of interest.
And how about
As is the others. That's very unfortunate.
Okay.
Kasi nga, they want witness protection. But, yun nga, ang una namang requirement namin, magsabi ng totoo, tsaka buong katotohanan. Yun ang sinusubukan natin kami. Makuha yung talagang, kahit anong tanongin namin, sasabihin nila. Yun nga yung problema ngayon. Yun ang gusto namin magamot kung talagang gusto nilang makapasok dyan sa programa.
Yung Saturday, sir?
Pakita mo sa akin yung mga notes mo at yung ledgers mo to prove what you're saying. Kasi baka mamaya, so sa mga pinulog, I want everything to be complete. Kasi ang testimony tsaka yung notes, that should dapat mag-tubay.
Sure. Yeah. Then you're filing a complaint against whom?
We have a list for that. I think just to be accurate, bibigyan namin kayo ng listahan. We're preparing everything muna sa task. But has been prepared for all of you guys. Ayaw namin may makaligtaan na pangalan, bibigyan namin kayo ng kompletong records pagdating nyo. Tsaka, to be filed by the ICI. Kahit paano umusad yung commission, notwithstanding the fact na tatatlo pa lang sila kaka-appoint. Barely 2 linggo pa lang ang ICI na kumbaga nagsimula na start na. So I think this is a milestone. Important kita namin sa tao na talagang umuusad ang ICI. Ginagawa namin lahat ng mga kaya namin para matugunan yung mga hinihingi ng mga taong-bayan.
Sir, may you replace?
Siguro.
Sir, yung comment lang sa live stream, because people want to see what's going on sa ICI, we comment. Paano, hanggang saan yung transparency ng ICI?
I guess, in fact, I mentioned that already in some of my interviews, that it is very important that we maintain, in a way, the integrity of the person to be used for any political agenda or leverage. Kaya nag-iingat po kami. Lahat po ng mga binibigay po ng mga information kailangan po namin i-verify. At in fact, kailangan po makolaborate. No? Kasi mahirap po na paniwalaan po natin kaagad ang mga statement ng mga isang testigo lang. No? Lalo na hindi po natin alam kung ano kanilang background. Masinop ang komisyon para sa ganun. Ang mga kaso na may pa-file ng komisyon ay suportado ng tamang ebidensya at this will hold judicial scrutiny.
Okay.
Kasi mahirap po pagka mag-file kami na walang sufficient basis or evidence baka po ma-dismiss na kaliwat kanan.
So sir, how do we ensure transparency despite na wala akong live streaming?
Makikita naman po ninyo, we will provide you the files that we will be providing the ombudsman, and doon po makikita ninyo kung ano yung mga ebidensya na in basis namin for the referral to the ombudsman. So in that way, we will be transparent.
Sir, binubuo yung theory kung meron bang ICI?
Siyempre, kung makakalap kami lahat ng mga informasyon na pwede, no? In fact, it's gonna be collaborative. Tinutugma-tugma po namin mga statement ng mga iba-ibang tao at saka yung mga aming ibang resource person. And of course, we want to know how the system works. Paano pa nangyari ito? So,
Ano yung duplication ng function to ng DOJ?
DOJ.
Yeah, kasi parang they can
Ano yun?
investigate.
Nakita naman po ninyo kanina ni si SOJ na pumunta dito kanina at nag-submit ng mga affidavit. And for us, it's very important. Close coordination with the government agencies, whether legislative or investigative, is very valuable for us because the more information that we get, the more basis we will have to file cases against those who's responsible for this mess.
Sir, so message to the public who's counting on the
Always be independent, we will always be deliberate. Hindi po kami papadaloy sa politika, kami po ay magiging we will be independent, we will be deliberate, we will not allow anyone, any group, to use us for any political agenda.